got a message.
Oh, reddies. That's not true. Far, let's go.
Let's go, brother.
What are you gonna do tonight?
Probably just gonna go home, play the game.
Same.
Yeah,
Have a big ass feed.
yeah, eat some food.
And then go for a sleep.
Oh, there they are.
Don't worry about it. Just ignore them.
Hey man, how come you didn't even text us back?
Because we don't want to.
Why not?
Because we don't want to.
Oh, it's just a joke.
It wasn't a joke. Joke's meant to be funny.
I thought it was funny.
It wasn't.
Oh, well, sorry. Come, let's go.